Are you a tech lover but currently on a tight budget? No worries. Explore some affordable gems with the best gadgets under $100. From portable chargers to stylish wallets, you can enhance your tech experience without breaking the bank. So, let's get started and discover some fantastic tech finds that won't empty your wallet. Number 10. Nimble Champ Series 2. Meet Nimble Champ, the ultimate portable charger that banishes the fear of a dead phone. This little powerhouse, no bigger than a credit card, can give your phone up to 3 full charges with its 5,200 mAh capacity. It's so compact that it easily fits into any pocket or bag. What makes it even cooler? Nimble's Champ has USB-C 15W high-speed power, meaning it can quickly charge iPhones, iPads, Samsungs, and more. Plus, there's an extra USB-A port for charging 2 devices at once. And the best part? You can grab it on Amazon for just $32. Nimble's Champ combines power, style, and environmental responsibility, making sure you're always charged up and making a positive impact. Number 9. Hatch Rest, 2nd generation. Introducing the Hatch Rest, a versatile wonder that transforms your bedtime routine. It's not just a sound machine, nightlight, and dimmable bedside clock, it's a perfect mix of practicality and style. With easy-to-use features, you can enjoy a spectrum of 20 dynamic colors and adjust brightness and volume effortlessly through taps or the app. The child lock ensures a hassle-free experience, making it suitable for everyone. Bask in the soothing ambient glow and calming sounds like ocean waves, rainfall, heartbeat, and more, all accompanied by a handy clock display. Priced at $70, this all-in-one solution caters to your senses, offering a retreat within the comfort of your bedroom. Sleep soundly, wake up refreshed, and embrace a harmonious addition to your nightly sanctuary with the Hatch Rest. Number 8. Google Pixel Buds A Series. Introducing the Pixel Buds A Series, your ticket to ultimate comfort and incredible sound. These wireless earbuds redefine how you experience audio, delivering rich, high-quality sound while seamlessly integrating Google Assistant. With a flush-to-ear design, 3 ear tip sizes, and a stabilizer arc, they snugly fit for an exceptional sound journey. Enjoy up to 5 hours of listening time or 2.5 hours of talk time on a single charge, with a total of 24 hours using the charging case, keeping you connected all day. And the best part? These earbuds are water-resistant, perfect for rainy days and tough workouts. Priced at $99, the Pixel Buds A Series are comfy, practical, and affordable, giving you an amazing audio experience. Number 7. Stojo Reusable Ceramic Travel Mug. Meet the Stojo Reusable Ceramic Travel Mug, your stylish companion for on-the-go sipping. This chic mug is crafted from shatter-resistant ceramic, offering both aesthetics and functionality that beats traditional paper or plastic. This travel mug designed for convenience, it's made from high-quality food-grade material, ensuring easy cleaning after every use. Forget about condensation troubles. The insulated tumbler keeps your hands and tables dry, adding extra comfort to your sipping experience. Plus, it's a sustainable choice, helping you cut down on single-use waste by refilling at cafes that welcome reusable mugs. And you can buy it for only $70. This travel mug mixes style, usefulness, and eco-friendly features, making your sipping experience enjoyable and refreshing. Number 6. Victrola Respin Bluetooth Suitcase Record Player. Introducing the Victrola Respin Belt-Driven Suitcase. Turntable, your affordable ticket to a vinyl adventure. This charming turntable not only captures the essence of vinyl collecting, but also provides a delightful audio experience. With a built-in Bluetooth speaker and bass radiator, it offers 3x more bass response than standard suitcase record players, giving you a richer sound. Housed in a modern-style suitcase with a handy carry handle, Victrola seamlessly blends retro aesthetics with contemporary design for ultimate flexibility. Perfect for modern music lovers, this 3-speed turntable delivers quality music with increased volume, deep bass, and crystal-clear clarity, great for both beginners and vintage enthusiasts. Priced at $99, the Victrola Respin turntable is more than a device. It's an invitation to experience the timeless allure of vinyl in the modern world. Number 5. Upright Go S. Meet the Upright Go S, the perfect gift to turn grandma's dream of good posture at the dinner table into a reality. This tiny marvel discreetly nudges you back into an upright position with gentle vibrations, making the battle against slouching a breeze. Forget about hunching over. Upright Go S is here to make sitting up easy and effortless. Just attach the device to your back using the adhesive or necklace and get real-time posture feedback. The companion app, available on iOS and Android, takes your posture journey to the next level, letting you personalize your training program, get daily progress reports, and track your improvement over time. Priced at $65, the Upright Go S doesn't just fix your posture, it helps you build lifelong habits for a healthier, more confident you. Number 4. Ekster Aluminum Card Holder Wallet. Meet the Ekster Aluminum Card Holder Wallet, a tough and stylish solution for the modern individual. Designed with durability in mind, its clever trigger allows for a quick draw of your cards when it's time to pay. The main compartment fits up to 6 cards and includes RFID blocking for added security. A convenient strap holds cash in place, while a backplate provides extra room for more cards or cash. Priced at $89, this aluminum wallet brings together functionality, security, and a touch of sophistication. Perfect for those who appreciate a durable yet minimalist everyday carry, ensuring your essentials are not just protected, but easily accessible. Number 3. Amazon Smart Thermostat. Introducing Amazon Smart Thermostat, possibly the best gadget under $100 to enhance home comfort. With its sleek and modern touchscreen design, this thermostat not only looks good, but is also easy to use. Adjust the temperature directly on the device through the Alexa app, or simply use voice commands with a compatible Alexa-enabled speaker, or display control is always at your fingertips. Priced at $80, this smart thermostat is an affordable gift that goes beyond aesthetics. It's a practical solution to reduce energy usage, make the switch from a traditional thermostat effortlessly, and enjoy the benefits of energy savings. And the best part? You can control it using the Alexa app, letting Alexa take charge of the temperature or allowing you to customize settings from anywhere. Number 2. Sony CH520. Introducing the Sony CH520 headphones, your ticket to affordable audio brilliance at around $58. While they may not have all the fancy noise-canceling features, these on-ear headphones deliver impressive sound quality without breaking the bank. Lightweight and comfy, they provide a great listening experience without sacrificing comfort. With exceptional battery life, these headphones can last up to 50 hours at moderate volume levels, ensuring uninterrupted music enjoyment. Notable features include multi-point Bluetooth pairing, allowing you to connect to 2 devices simultaneously for seamless audio switching. Though they lack the advanced noise-canceling tech of their pricier counterparts, the CH520 headphones are a fantastic choice for those seeking budget-friendly excellence in sound, comfort, and versatility. Number 1. Sangean WR15. Introducing the Sangean WR15. A perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality in a classic radio design. With a robust MDF cabinet and a genuine walnut veneer finish, it radiates timeless elegance. Enhancing your tuning experience, the rotary vernier tuning and volume control offer precision. Portable and easy to place on bookshelves, this radio is an ideal companion for garage or shed projects. It serves as a reliable entertainment backup during power outages or internet downtime. The 3-inch 10-watt full-range speaker, featuring an enlarged magnet and deep bass compensation, ensures impressive sound quality in its acoustically tuned cabinet. Plus, it's priced at just $99, making it the perfect addition to spaces that desire the perfect mix of classic aesthetics and contemporary functionality. So, there you have it. What's your favorite gadget from this video? Tell us in the comments below. And remember, don't miss out on the excitement. Bring these futuristic gadgets into your life and make it more fun and smart with TechBite.